One good trick that I like to do when you're breaking up the cast, do a little oil in your hands. And you can go in individually and start to like break up the hair, but one thing I like to do is take all of the hair together and just twist with the oil and then break it up. And then give it a good shake at the roots.
Oh my God, that smells so good.
I know, it smells really good. And then Sydney likes her hair big, so don't forget to use the pick as well. Also, one more thing. So those curls that are clumped together, right? Sometimes we have curls that are like clumped, like they're pretty big chunks. I like to go in with a little bit of the oil, again, around your fingers, like cuticles, all the things. You're gonna take like the bigger clumps, let's say something like this, and you wanna separate it. Never separate your hair when it's still damp. Don't ever do it, because it creates frizz. You wanna make sure that the hair is dry before you separate clumps in it.